opponents need to get 70,000 signatures by August 14th just to get the chance to let the public decide on the future of what critics call Cop City. Fox 5's Christopher King went out with workers canvassing the community.
Christopher, how many signatures have they collected so far?
Well, Russ, Christine, so far they've collected about 30,000 signatures for that petition. All those people say let the voters decide if that center gets built.
They're pounding the pavement. Workers with the New Georgia Project Action Fund on Tuesday trying to collect enough signatures for a petition to put the future of a $90 million training center for Atlanta police and first responders on the November ballot. This after City Council last month greenlit the plan to fund the center critics call Cop City.
I think it could be a good outcome.
Fashion A. Jones supports building the center.
If they're trained correctly, if they have the right resources to be trained correctly for the job, I feel like we should take the chance on it.
But she also favors letting voters decide if they want the training facility.
I think that's a good idea.
The city is slated to spend $67 million in taxpayer dollars for its share of the center.
I'm really against it.
John Dennis says city leaders should spend that money elsewhere.
You got families out here that need homes and somewhere to live, and why not give it to the people that really need it?
He says the public should decide the center's fate.
The people's voices are what make the city.
We believe in the power of the ballot measure. We do believe in the power of the people.
Critics of the center must collect 70,000 signatures by August 14th to get a referendum on the ballot.
Can you meet that goal of 70,000 signatures by August 14th?
Yes, I believe that we can meet that goal, and if not, exceed it.
James Mays is a deputy field director for New Georgia Project. The voting rights group says the people of Atlanta should get a say in how their money is spent.
And we just want to put it up to a vote so that the people can decide